In order to perform IT activities, you generally need to access multiple systems with some level of administrative access. Not all systems support RBAC, and in most cases, RBAC grants more permissions than what's needed. Voleer enables what we call activity-based access control. This means that we're able to grant one or more individuals with the ability to perform an end-to-end activity without actually granting permissions to any specific system. We do this by saving credentials within Voleer. Then, when a task is performed, all activities can leverage those secure credentials. Saving credentials also allows the ability to perform the same repetitive tasks over and over again without having to re-enter those credentials. Let's go ahead and click the template Save Azure AD User Credentials from the public library. This allows you to save credentials that are used for both Office 365 and Azure. Click Use Template, select the workspace you wish to save the credentials in, then click Confirm. Enter the name you wish to associate with those credentials. You'll need to remember this value as you'll need to enter them exactly as is when you wish to reference them later. Enter your username, then enter your password. You then have a series of options that can be enabled to verify the credentials. We recommend enabling it for the systems you wish to access. Note that if your credentials fail to verify for any reason against those selected systems, the credentials will not save. Now click Submit, and we're done. Sit back and relax while the automation securely encrypts and stores the credentials within the workspace. Now that the instance is complete, we can use these credentials in other Office 365 or Azure templates.